Caribbean Vegan Rasta Pasta. Caribbean Vegan Rasta Pasta features colorful bell peppers, tomatoes, and onions simmered in a creamy coconut milk sauce, flavored with jerk seasoning. Tossed with your choice of pasta, it offers a vibrant, spicy dish with tropical flavors, combining the essence of Caribbean cuisine with a plant-based twist. Jamaican Jerk Tofu. Jamaican Jerk Tofu is marinated in a flavorful blend of jerk spices, including allspice, thyme, and Scotch bonnet peppers, then grilled or baked until crispy. This plant-based dish offers a spicy, smoky flavor profile reminiscent of traditional jerk chicken, perfect for adding a Caribbean kick to any meal. Trini Doubles. Trini Doubles are soft flatbreads filled with spiced chickpeas, served with tangy cucumber and mango chutneys. This popular Trinidadian street food features a flavorful chickpea curry, topped with fresh herbs and hot sauce, creating a delicious and satisfying vegan snack or meal with vibrant Caribbean flavors. Bajan Vegan Macaroni Pie. Bajan Vegan Macaroni Pie is a savory casserole made with elbow macaroni, tomato sauce, and vegan cheese, seasoned with Caribbean spices like thyme and allspice. Baked until bubbly and golden, this comforting dish offers a rich, cheesy flavor without dairy, perfect as a main course or side. Jamaican Cornmeal Porridge Recipe. Jamaican cornmeal porridge is a creamy, comforting breakfast made by simmering cornmeal with coconut milk, spices like nutmeg and cinnamon, and sweeteners such as brown sugar. Often enjoyed hot, this dish provides a hearty, flavorful start to the day, offering both warmth and a touch of Caribbean sweetness. Pumpkin Rice Krispies. Pumpkin Rice Krispies is a Jamaican treat blending crispy rice cereal with a spiced pumpkin mixture, often sweetened with condensed milk and flavored with ginger, cinnamon, and nutmeg. It's a festive, crunchy dessert enjoyed during special occasions.